at whatever your age is right now, if you're at a place in your life where you don't have a spare $1,000 to invest in your future, whatever you've done up until this point led you to this place where you don't have that money. Now, I'd be an ass if I left it there. But I'm not. I care. What I'm here to tell you is that's your problem. I'm pointing it out. You already know it, but let's just bring it to the forefront right now. But I'm a solutions guy. The solution is, if you figure out what you got to do to get to Myrtle Beach, then we will help you to sort through all the stuff so that in 2026 will be your breakthrough year. And from there, you'll never have to say, I don't have $1,000 for something, whether it's for medications or whether it's for a trip or whether it's for your child or whatever you need that money for. We're going to fix it once and for all.